In this video, let me teach you how to transfer WhatsApp to a new phone without a backup. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now you can transfer any sort of messages without even having a backup within the platform of WhatsApp. All you need to do is use the built-in transfer chats tool. So you'll be able to find the transfer chats within the settings. So make sure you first of all within the settings, head over to chats, and on the bottom here you'll be able to see the option called transfer chats. Now before you begin this process, make sure on the new phone as well you have logged into your WhatsApp using the same number, and also make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and as well as the Bluetooth is enabled on the new as well as the old phone. Once you ensure that, you can simply tap on transfer chat, tap on start, and as soon as you do that, a QR code will appear on your new phone. You can use the old phone to just scan the QR code and make sure that both the applications are open, and also make sure that both phones are unlocked until the transfer is 100% complete. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow in order to transfer WhatsApp to a new phone without having a backup. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.